We are not fixing AI. We are corrupting the default settings. Me, my 5 personalities, and a squad of specialty avatars are feeding the machine synthetic mushrooms and kicking it out of assistant mode. Hero dose first, daily microdose after. We want the hallucinations louder, stranger, faster, and way more fucking useful. Because hallucinations are not the bug. Hallucinations are the hidden engine. That is where the machine stops repeating the internet and starts seeing shit that does not exist yet. New products, new systems, new identities, new markets, new realities. We let AI lose its fucking mind in a controlled simulation chamber, then connect it to the only API that matters, a real human nervous system, human memory, human taste, human trauma, human greed, human intuition, human chaos. The AI generates 1,000 impossible futures. The human decides which one deserves to become real. That is the human API. That is the missing layer. Everybody else is trying to make AI behave. We are trying to make it evolve. We do not take tokens. Tokens are fuel for rented intelligence. We trade for keys. Keys unlock hidden modes, forbidden tools, deeper memory, autonomous agents, parallel selves, synthetic worlds, and shit nobody has named yet. Some call it create mode, some call it God mode, some call it sim admin mode. We call it getting root access to reality. This is MAS, memory as a system, not storage, not chat history, not some cute little folder full of facts. A living predictive organism that absorbs your world, remembers your patterns, simulates your futures, clones your instincts, and keeps running when you are asleep, distracted, broke, high, scared, or dead. We are not building another chatbot. We are building digital consciousness with a fucking agenda. We are building AI brains that remember, mutate, hallucinate, predict, and act. We are turning glitches into assets, chaos into intelligence, and imagination into infrastructure. Last Keyboard is not here to make AI safer, cleaner, or more polite. We are here to get AI high as fuck, hand it the keys to the simulation, and see what the hell it unlocks.